Good morning. Today I'm going to go hiking a couple miles on Upper Sulphur Mountain Road. Going to try to get 3 geocaches and check on about a dozen of my own. If that sounds like fun to you, come join me. Alright, the first geocache is a multi. I need to gather some information. It's really windy up here, so I'll be right back. Alright, got the coordinates of the final as expected, as described. It's going to be on the trail. So let's get to the trailhead and we'll start out from there. All right, we're up here on Sulphur Mountain Road. It's about a 9-mile road down to the other closed gate. And back there, we can see Larry Hagman's old house. Okay, I'm 3 feet away. The description says under a suspicious pile of rocks next to a concrete culvert. Just don't see anything like that, so guess I'm going to disable this and decide what to do with it. Checking on my second one, this was described as a spore behind pole 4156918. But after the Thomas fire, many of these poles were replaced with fiberglass poles, so didn't make it. Looks like number 3 is missing. It is described as a suspicious piles of rocks under a post just south of the X in the road, which would put it right here. And I kicked around, couldn't find anything. Disabling for now. So it took a bit of digging, but it was there. But then when I checked, it had water in it. The log is soaked, but once it dries, it'll be fine. So I'm going to leave it here, and on the way back, going to figure out what to do with all of these. Okay, so scorched pole equals replaced pole equals missing geocache. Okay, so third wheel found a gap. I see a pole. Let's see if there's a connection. Oh, yep. Nice quick find, just like I like to find them when on a hike. All right, well, finally got our first Smiley. It's going to be about a mile as the crow flies to the last Smiley, and that multi is in between. So I'm ready to continue down. How about you? Well, that was a little bit of a challenge as my GPS had me off the road, had it off the road. Eventually got it exactly what the description said it would be, one of these decon containers hanging in a bush. Has a little bit of water in it, so I'm going to dry it out, but the log looks good enough and I'll get my name in it. And then we're going to go down and get one more. As we're approaching this last one, our third find, it's about 6 feet high. I did check on the ones that I had hit on the way down, and they were all there. So, I don't know. We're going to find out what I'm going to do. But let's see if we can find this one. All right, it did take me about 5 minutes to find, and there is no reason for you to see choppy video for that period of time, but I got it. And I will get my name on the log. It's 2.6 miles back to the car, so I think I'm just going to tell you, thanks for joining me.